Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. A fixed deposit account is a popular investment choice as it is immune to market fluctuations in comparison with other alternatives available. In this video, let us explore the special features, interest rates, and other details related to FD schemes offered by Central Bank of India. Let us begin with the list of special features of the FD schemes offered by the Central Bank of India. You can choose to receive interest payments in monthly or quarterly intervals. You can also choose to receive interest payment upon maturity of the account. Premature withdrawal is allowed at the cost of penal charges. A 1% penalty on interest rate is applied on premature withdrawal of deposits more than Rs 5 lakh. However, no penalty is levied in the case of account renewal for a period longer than the initial deposit period. Nomination facility is available to any family member, even spouse. The minimum deposit amount for this account is Rs 100 and in multiples of 100 thereafter. Loan facility is available up to 90% of the FD amount. Competitive interest rates are offered for all FD schemes. Easy and fast liquidity options are available. NRE, NRO and FCNR deposit options are available. The FD account can be opened online or by visiting the nearest bank branch. Senior citizens can earn an additional 0.5% interest rate on all FD schemes as compared to regular customers. So, who can open an FD account with Central Bank of India? Individuals, joint accounts for 2 or more individuals, partnership firms, trusts, minors, blind people, illiterate people, Hindu undivided families, limited companies and partnership firms, municipalities and panchayats, charitable, religious and educational organizations, associations, societies, clubs, etc., and sole proprietary concerns. You will be required to submit the following documents to open an FD account with the bank: 2 passport-size photographs of the account holder, proof of identity, that is, passport, PAN card, driving license, voter ID, etc. Proof of address, that is, passport, bank statement with a check, utility bills, etc. And proof of date of birth, that is, passport, voter ID, driving license, service discharge certificate, etc. to confirm the age of a senior citizen or a minor. If you do not already have an account with Central Bank of India, you will require an introducer to open the FD account. The introducer should be the bank's account holder and must be acceptable by the bank. The introducer must sign a bank's form as a token of verifying the applicant's identity. It is a must that the introducer knows the applicant. A confirmed staff member who has put in 5 years of service in the bank can also introduce an applicant. Here is a table of bank's FD rates for a deposit amount less than Rs 2 crore that is effective from 8 October 2020. For a maturity period of 7 to 14 days, the interest rate applicable is 2.75%. For a period of 15 to 30 days, the interest rate applicable is 2.90%. The same interest rate is applicable for a period up to 45 days. For a tenure of 46 days to 90 days, the interest rate applicable is 3.25%. For a tenure of 91 days to 179 days, the interest rate applicable is 3.90%. On the other hand, for a tenure of 180 days to 364 days, the interest rate applicable is 4.25%. If you wish to make a deposit for a period of 1 year to less than 3 years, the interest rate applicable is 4.90%. For a longer tenure, that is, from 3 years up to 10 years, the applicable interest rate is 5%. Further, Central Bank of India offers tax-saving FD scheme called Cent Tax Saving Deposit Account with a minimum lock-in period of 5 years. Individuals and HFs are eligible to open this account. The minimum deposit amount for this account is Rs 100 and in multiples of Rs 100 thereafter. The maximum deposit amount for this account is Rs 1.5 lakh. By investing in this account, you can avail income tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. However, The income tax applicable is dependent on the tax bracket you fall in. If the interest earned from this account exceeds Rs 40,000 per financial year, then TDS will be applicable at 10%. The TDS rate is reduced to 7.5% due to COVID-19 pandemic from 14 May 2020 to 31 March 2021. Upon deducting tax, the bank will issue a TDS certificate. While fixed deposits offer security, they may not be ideal for wealth creation. You may wish to explore the other investment options such as mutual funds. In this case, your funds are managed by professional experienced fund managers who can predict the market trends. They make sure that your money is invested in the right way. This mitigates the risk associated with mutual funds to a large extent. Investing in mutual funds such as ELSS comes with a higher liquidity and shorter lock-in period of 3 years in comparison with 5-year tax-saver FD account. Make a wise choice when it comes to savings, tax savings and wealth creation. If you are planning to invest, do invest on our ClearTax platform. The link is provided in the description. Thank you.